Today I am reviewing Frankenmuth's Bavarian Inn Lodge. This hotel is one of a kind and I would say a hidden gem. Frankenmuth is known for its year-round Christmas holiday festivities and amazing fudge, but this hotel in Frankenmuth holds history of the first settlers in town. After years of expansion, there are now 3 indoor pools, 3 hot tubs, a baby pool, and 2 water slides. It has over 150 video games, laser tag, and putt-putt golf. Currently, it is expanding to be the largest indoor water park in Michigan, and that is set to be done late 2024. So come on inside with me and let's take a look around. Frankenmuth is the Christmas capital of the world, so no, it is not December. It is actually the last week of February, and it is still vastly decorated for Christmas as usual. And if you haven't already caught on or know the history of Frankenmuth, the Bavarian Inn is themed of Bavaria in southeast Germany. They do have free coffee all throughout the lodge, and right off the lobby is Martha's gift shop. And right across the hall is Oma's restaurant. They have large portions of German and American meals, and you do not have to be staying at the hotel to enjoy this restaurant. And you can also get Oma's for room service. So from Oma's in the gift shop, the adult pool is right through this door. A lot of people miss this area. Adult only swimming pool. Personally, for us, there was never more than just a few people in here. It was just a really relaxed, kid-free zone because the family fun zone is full of kids, which is great, of course. And they have rooms that look over the courtyard here. All right, off to check out the family fun zone. There's a little window that overlooks everything, and that back room is where the 2 water slides are. They have an 18-hole putt-putt golf that is so cute. Ages 4 to 12 are $5 and adults are $6. And you can also buy an unlimited pass for $7.50 for the kids or $9 for the adults, and there's a 2-day pass for $8.50 or $10. This is the waterfall pool and hot tub. We will be going in this later, so I'll show you that. And of course, the arcade. There's 3 different sections of the arcade. This is Ratskeller. They have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they have karaoke on the weekends. We were here on a Monday and there was karaoke. They have more of the feel-good foods rather than the typical German food. So the pool's still closed for maintenance. I believe it was 2 to 3 p.m. and then also 8 to 8:30 p.m. Frankenmuth always has tons of stuff going on. We go every few months. So this is the banquet and conference center area. You can have up to 500 guests in some of these rooms. So it would be great for a wedding, just saying. It has a more religious theme to it. But after all, the first settlers of Frankenmuth came here from Germany for missionary reasons. So only makes sense. April 6th, if you're a Swiftie. 3 hours of music, dancing, and fun. Live Taylor Swift DJ. Okay, so that is the banquet conference area that we just came from, and now we're gonna walk across the parking lot and actually go to town. Bavarian Inn shuttle. I wonder where it takes you to town.
Right.
We should check that out maybe later. Well, we're gonna walk it. We'll see how long it takes, okay? All right, it's 2:56, and we're leaving the Bavarian Inn. Right there. And we're gonna walk to town and see how long it takes. But apparently there's a shuttle, which we didn't know until it went past us.
Town's right there. I don't think it's gonna be a long
Yeah,
walk at all.
that's town, if you can see it.
Pretty though. Nice walk.
Yeah, it's winter, but it's pretty nice out. Probably not. All right, we are here. Already here. It's what?
59.
2:59. It took 3 minutes.
The castle shops are right here.
Yeah, the castle shop's right here across the bridge, and you're at the downtown part. So we are inside the River Place shops. I'm gonna have another video going in more detail about everything to do in Frankenmuth, but here's just a little sum of it.
You can do a liquor tasting? What do you want to do?
Here's some water. Okay, you ready?
Cheers.
That was $35. We should do an expensive one.
So you can pick any 4 shots for $5.
$88 right here.
All right, cheers to
Cheers to Frankenmuth.
Frankenmuth.
What are we celebrating?
Ooh,
Alone time.
Alone time.
Away from the kids, yeah.
a 2-day break from our kids. Love them, but need a break.
So then right across the bridge from River Place is downtown Frankenmuth, and on Main Street, they actually have a Bavarian Inn Restaurant. This is where you get the world famous chicken dinner. And this is Fisher Platt's restaurant, and they also have a really nice outdoor area for summer with live music. We always make sure to go downstairs to the gift and souvenir shop, and they have a great bakery down there as well.
Oh, that's a cute apron.
Holy smokes.
That's only $5. Mimosas and Bloody Marys. Can we go in here?
So this is actually a gift shop with a bar in it. They have 2 of these in Frankenmuth.
We used to have it on the menu, I think.
Yummy.
We're gonna make sure we get every drop out of these.
Vacation.
Cheers to Frankenmuth vacation. So we just went to all the shops, going back to our room to check in. Check-in was at 3, it's about 4:30. And we're going to go swimming. Okay, so we are in a king riverfront balcony. A king and a couch bed, I think. I believe. Bathroom. Toilet. The bath. Good for the kids to bathe after the pool. All right. Let's see who we're looking at here. 1945. Claremont. Oh, that's the room we're in. Claremont.
Yeah.
Oh. So all the rooms are based on like actual people? Anyway. So it said riverfront balcony, but what's interesting, so this is the balcony. It is shared with the maybe 6 rooms by you. And they have the boat that goes down that river. So that's right there is right where we were walking. The bridge. That's town. You can call for a bedtime story. I might do that tonight.
What's on your TV?
All right, we're gonna go eat.
Yep. Start.
Or we're gonna eat almost. Oh, and there's some lounge that has happy hour until 6. And it is $4.50. We're gonna go putt, go in the pool. Oh, let's see right here. Almost room service. You can get room service served until breakfast.
See by putt meet there.
From 8 to 9 a.m. All video and pinball games are free. That's cool. This fall, guys, bunch of stuff opening up. They're doing an $80 million investment. They're going to have a wave pool, Lance. I didn't know that.
Oh, that's cool.
A glass roof water park. 16 splash-tastic new water slides. A not-so-lazy river. Marlene is going to love that. Rock and roll bowling. Climbing wall. Rope course. Laser tag. They already have laser tag. And Michigan's first swim-up bar. What? I guess there's no water parks in Michigan that have a swim-up bar. It's going to be awesome. I will be back. So if it is fall of 2024, catch me back. Catch me outside. How about that?
How about that? Let's get some food.
So we are at Lorelei's Lounge. We actually just ended up getting some happy hour drinks.
Look at this sucker.
So we ended up just getting a $20 card, which was 88 credits. I would say that the average game was probably around 6 credits. Look at that. So we're off to do the water slides. Unfortunately, they did not allow me to bring my camera up there, but I understand because that thing was kind of crazy. You have to be 42 inches to ride the body slide and 48 inches to ride the tube slide, or if you're riding with an adult, you have to be 42 inches for that. This is Lance contemplating life because he always loses to me at putt-putt.
By each other.
This gift shop here has more like swimsuits, swim diapers, types of things like that. And then, of course, the typical souvenirs.
Oh, look, they got bathing suits. I got this bathing suit and it was only $13.
We're at Ratskeller again, and whatever drink you get here, you can bring around to the arcade. This pizza was a 10 out of 10. Okay, at nighttime, this definitely was a kids' party, but the most hype kids' party I've ever been to. And on that note, I felt super guilty not having my kids here, so I came back 2 days later with my kids.
Well, you guys want to turn on the lights for me and we'll go out there?
There we go.
Okay. 2 queen bed, balcony room. Mirror there. TV. No microwave, but there are microwaves in the hall. Little fridge. Okay. This is outside our balcony. They're doing construction. They're building the biggest water park in Michigan. And it'll be ready fall of 2024. Bunch of doors and windows. So we'll see if we hear it out in this room, but we did not hear it out in our other room. This area closes promptly at 11 p.m.
So they gave us earplugs in case construction's loud, but this is after the fact and it was not. They do have life jackets that you can use, and that is over by where the water slides are.
Stand up to show the deepness. Even Kennedy can stand up over here. I wonder what it gets to over there.
So I found out it gets to 4 feet 6 inches in the deep end and 2 feet in the small end, which is nice for my baby. The pool is open until 11 p.m. on weekdays and 12 a.m. on weekends. And they do have showers in the bathrooms that's right next to the pools, both bathrooms.
Am I allowed up here? I don't know.
She's so serious. Like she's in jail. You say dead, Dad? You go change?
There you go.
I was sad they didn't have karaoke on the night we brought our daughter back, so we just had our own party. All right, time to get some free coffee and go shopping. I am doing a video on all things in Frankenmuth. Doesn't matter of the season, we go here all the time. So stay tuned for that video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out with my videos. If you haven't already, please check out our Zehnder Splash Village water park video located just 1 minute away from the Bavarian Inn Lodge Hotel. I would say if you're traveling from far away, try to hit up both of these hotels. They are both so amazing and we have the time of our lives here. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.